morning everyone. How are you? Hope you are all doing great. Okay? So, should we start? What are we doing today? Today we are doing a sensory activity. Okay? Okay, this is for our ears and hands. Okay? Yes, the first activity is sound box. Okay? Okay, now close your eyes. Close your eyes, everyone. Yes, children, close your eyes. Close. Okay, now I will bring this close to your ears. Close to your ears. Can you listen anything? Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Yes. Can you listen the sound? Yes. I can listen. I'm closing my eyes. So, I am using my ears for listening. Okay? For you. Can you see? Yes. This is a sound box. And what I have added in this? I have added rice. Yes. Then I had an old xylophone that was broken, so I have made drums, you know, with the help of this, I have used the gift wrap and the rubber bands, and this is a glass. So I have made the drums at home. Yes. Can you listen the sound? Just close your eyes and listen the sound. Yay. Then I have the CDs. Yes. You know what, children? You can just like this. You can insert your hands like this and you can play with this. You can listen the sound. Yes. See what sound it is making? Ooh, wow. Then I have, can you listen to the sound? I have few coins. And I have made this big box. Can you listen to this? Can you listen to the loud noise? Loud sound? Can you listen? Yes, it's making a loud noise. Okay? Then, rattle. I'm sure you must be having lots of rattle at home. Yes? I have a drum also. Whoa. See? Yay. And if you don't have this, you can make this with the help of your parents. Okay? Yay. What next I have? I have few bowls. And I have arranged them like this. Now, see, you can hear the sound. You can hear the sound. We can turn them also. And now we will listen the sound. It is making different sound, right? We can stack them also like this. Okay? Like this. Okay? Yes, so we can do all these things. Just you need supervision of your parents when you do all these activities. Okay? Like I have made so colorful. I have tried to decorate the plastic boxes so colorfully. You can also, with all the readily material at home, the parents can make these things for you. Okay? And just a word of caution for parents. in case of all these choking hazards, to avoid the choking hazards, you can put a tape here, or just ensure that you do this activity in your presence. Okay, yeah. So you can, here you can take this closer to your toddler's ears, and then they can listen. Oh yeah, this is a soft sound. You know, they can explore. They can explore these things. Let them explore. Let the children explore. Also, they can hear this the chickpeas making a loud sound. So they can differentiate between a soft sound and a loud sound, and they can hear different types of sounds. You know, there are so many different sounds. They can hear this sound. Oh yeah, this is making a different sound. The coins, with the coins, it is making a different sound. You know. Then they can explore it, like they can roll this with their hands. They can roll it. Then they can stack it one by one. They can stack it. You know, there are a lot of things that they can understand the colors. They can learn numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, there are a lot of things which you can do with these things. Okay, so do try it out at home. You will love it. Yes. Okay. Now next I have with me. Look what I have. So many different textures. Ooh, see? Can you see, children? So many different textures I have. Yes. I'm sure you're gonna love it. See? And you know what? You can do this with both your hands and both your feet. Yes. You can use both hands and both feet while doing this. See, now you touch here. Ooh, you will use your hands. Oh, this is little bumpy. You know, then you can touch here. Oh, this is also bumpy. You know, I have tried to use all the things which are easily available at home. Some things are available in your kitchen. Something in your medical kit. This is a bubble wrap. You know, then children really enjoy doing, and they can spend hours in all these type of activities. You know, this is basically for stimulation of your touch. They can feel so many different textures. This is soft. See children, this is soft. Touch it. Yes. Now this is, what is this? This is a pom-pom. So now they'll touch it. They will touch it. Oh wow, this is so soft. They will touch it. They will feel it. They will explore. Oh yes, I can fold it with my hands, you know. So they're also using this is a very good fine motor activity for hand-eye coordination. They are using their eyes, they're using their hands, they're learning colors, they're learning different textures. They are you know, then here it is bumpy. All this is bumpy. Here it is soft. The cotton balls, they are soft. Now if you go here, you can see this is aluminium foil. Oh, they will feel it. It's so hard. It's so rough. It's so rough. Yes. Then the scrubber. It's so rough. Yeah. You know, like this. Then here I have just used a silky cloth. It's so silky. Oh yeah. This is so silky. You know, they'll explore each and everything. You know, children. Then here you can place some buttons, some stones. See, they'll touch it. Oh, it's so hard. It is so hard. Yes. See? Yeah. Then they can touch this. Here you have just put some flashcards, Uno cards. Oh, this is so smooth. They'll put their hands here. They'll just try to explore all these things. It's so smooth. Wow. Oh, really? It's so smooth. So okay. So you like this activity? Yeah, children? Yes, children, do you like it? Yes, with the help of your mama and papa, do try it out at home, okay? And you will learn so many different textures, okay? This is rough, this is silky, this is hard, one is smooth, one is bumpy, one is soft, okay? Yeah? Okay, hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.